Hi, welcome back to Christmas carols. It's the countdown, what I'm doing. Today is for calling birds. Birds make calls. They make calls to each other in the sky, like a phone would, a phone call. I'm gonna be making a phone call. Voicemail. Hi, Frank, it's Carol. I just wanted to, shit. Hey, Frank. It's Carol. I was just outside your house. No. Where are you? Frank! Hi! Hi, Frank, it's Carol. If you'd like to leave a voicemail, look at my tits. Hi! Frank! It's Rudolph! Shit. Why aren't you answering your phone? Fucking come to your house and I'm gonna fucking rip out. Hello? Where are you? Where are you? You should pick up the phone. I just want to know if everything's okay. Where the fuck are you? Bye.